How's it going? Got another generator here. This is Craftsman's 4,550 watts starting, 3,650 watts running. This generator's just been started for the first time. I got 1,300 and 1,400 watts on it right now. Breaking in the engine. I'm going to run it for a couple of hours. But what I'll do is I'll stop it right now to speak about it. I'm really enjoying the Craftsman. Feel the quality. Just adjusted the engine speed. Got it right where I wanted it to be. It's got 0 hours on it. You know, there's things that I like about it. The larger 5-gallon fuel tank running about 14 hours at a half load. And this insulation on your, in between your stator and your muffler is very important to me. That's a very sleek looking generator. Really like it. 14 hours runtime. I'll take that. The feel of it feels very nice. Compression is nice. Overall, I like it. What do y'all think? Does anybody have this generator? You know, I enjoy things about, you know, there's safety features. Obviously low oil, but this has a carbon monoxide alert also. Let me know in the comments what you think. Y'all have a great day.